If you've ever wondered how to delete CapCut projects from CloudSpace, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can remove unwanted projects from your CapCut cloud storage and keep your workspace clean and organized. Whether you're clearing out old drafts, freeing up space, or just tidying up your account, this is a simple process once you know where to look. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one, because your cloud projects will only show up in the account where they were originally saved. Once you're logged in, look over to the left sidebar and click on Spaces. This is where CapCut stores your cloud-based projects and shared workspace files. If you don't see the project right away, take a moment to scroll through your list until you find the one you want to remove. Now hover over the project you want to delete. When you do this, CapCut should reveal additional options for that project. Next, right-click the project. This is what brings up the available actions for that cloud item. From the menu that appears, click Delete. CapCut will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the project, so double-check that you've selected the correct one before confirming. Once you delete it, the project will be removed from your cloud space, which helps keep your account more organized and easier to manage. If you had multiple old drafts or test projects saved, this is a great way to clean things up fast. And just a quick tip, if the project is important, make sure you've backed it up or downloaded a local copy before deleting it, because once it's gone from CloudSpace, you may not be able to recover it easily. After that, your cloud workspace should be a lot more streamlined. So that's how to delete CapCut projects from CloudSpace in just a few clicks. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.